So I realized that I've made a mistake. When I first got the apartment, and actually even before I got the apartment, my dream was to make this space over here a bedroom. So I added this drywall from about over here all the way along, and it goes this way too. And then at the top over there, I put those two windows so that you'd get some natural light. But it never really worked. As you can see, this is daytime, no lights on, and the bedroom is pretty dark. Another issue is how narrow the bedroom is. I knew the bedroom was going to be narrow, but not this narrow. So my plan today is to see if I can actually remove this drywall. So the plan today is to see if I can remove the drywall myself. So let's see if it can be done. So if you remember when the drywall was put up, and I'll put some footage, there were these pieces of metal or steel going up, and then the boards were stuck on. So basically, I bought these little magnets that I had at home, and I'm gonna look to see if there's a place on the wall where I can find it, which is, there, but not there. So that means that is a screw. So if I chip away at this area, I should be able to get a screw, which I can then unscrew and remove the board myself. Right, I've been able to access the screw and I've been able to unscrew it as well. So now that I know that I can do that, I'm going to use my magnets and I'm going to mark out all the screws on the drywall. So I found many screws and I've loosened a lot of them, but I actually think I should call in a professional to help who has the right tools, because I'm literally using this tiny screwdriver, this Leatherman, and these magnets, and it's gonna take me a long time to finish this, so let's get a professional. Brought some more professional tools. Let's see how this goes. Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 64. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the kitchen over here, there hasn't been much progress unfortunately, but if you look over here, here is a major update. So there used to be a drywall over here, and my problem was the bedroom was dark and very narrow. So I decided that the drywall was a big mistake. So I first attempted to remove it myself, which didn't go well. So I got one of the kitchen guys to remove it for me, and in about 3 or 4 hours he had the drywall gone. So now I just need to get that touched up, and over there and over here some of the tiles have a little hole in them, so I'm going to replace a few tiles, but it's not a major problem. And now this will be the bedroom area, so either the bed will stay as is or I will pull it out and it will come this way. So that's the update.